You know, when I was a little kid, all I ever wanted to do was make something big out of my life and not be forgotten like the rest. So check it. There's a light at the end of the tunnel, humble beginnings in a fight to the finish, hanging on with a grimace. Give it the look of God when told faith is fraud, cause you gave it all you had. So why won't they applaud? Wrong again. Bittersweet, hard to stomach if you love it, not a friend, but a puppet with strings attached. Dance to the beat of a dying heart. Change your pace, cause if I keep on moving, I might find a way. On every breath I'm holding to make it, I'll find a way for you. There's a long road but no one to take it. I'll find a way. Why's it gotta be a test on every breath I'm holding to make it? I'll find a way for you. There's a long road, there's a long road. Why won't you take it? Can you feel the nails digging deep inside of your skin? Prove yourself until you're dead to end, but you didn't begin. And if someone doesn't reach out soon, you might lose it, cause you humbled yourself just to be proved you can't do it. Don't do it, don't give it up to get it back. Fuck that, put it to your chest and let your heart attack come back. I ain't done trying, you're killing me softly with your words and I look dying,